Hey guys, back here again with another video. Me and Adriana, gander mouth.
Hey Dre, you should use the app so you can pause it.
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, uh-huh. Oh. While Derek was doing airsoft, he said the only thing he was wearing? Sniper suit. That's pretty cool, guys. Look at that. Check that out. Use this for airsoft, guys.
$54. That's serious.
Probably. And here's the airsoft equipment, guys. $17 for this Smith & Wesson. I think I'm gonna get it. What, the AK?
FD4?
Oh, this one down here?
Yeah, that's dope.
Pretty cool. $40.
What were you saying?
Me?
So that's that, guys.
If you find one on clearance, it'll be like $10.
The thing is, it's hard to find nice stuff.
I think I found what I'm gonna get. $24 for these two guys. Pretty cool. Looks a little bit like a 1911 AK. I think I'm gonna take this. Yeah, Smith & Wesson. Nice color too. Yeah, I'll take it. Need a couple of BBs. This was $18. I just have to calculate it on my phone. Hold on. Ooh, that one looks pretty cool. I don't have that gun. It's $50 though. Whatever. Yeah, I know. I gotta add things up, see if I can get myself some CO2 BBs. Oh, they got BBs in it. Okay, that's good. CO2. So $18. Doing some airsoft shopping. $18 plus. Alright, that'll do. $24. Yeah, on my way. Which ones are these? 20G, not 12. I think these are the 12. Okay, I'll take them. Take these. And some CO2. Airsoft. Some snipers here. Oh, check that out. An M4. Pretty cool. Got a couple rifles. Snipers too. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Ammunition crates. Pretty cool as well.
Stuff like this is $290.
Oh. Look at this.
So is this distraction, right?
Let me see. What you talking about? Gunsling?
No, we're not. We're in the gun section.
talking
And we're talking about panda bears.
Panda bears.
Oh.
What happened?
Yeah, we're talking about pandas.
Yeah,
Kind of
pandas.
surprised, right? A whole bunch of them. Oh, I'm looking to see if they have any gear. Like the vest, you know what I'm saying? And protective armor.
They had a cheap M4 over there. It wasn't cheap, but it was as cheap as you're gonna get an M4 for. And the M4 was like $99. That's as cheap as you're gonna get that gun.
That doesn't mean it's cheap. It's from here. It's 'cause
No,
all
yeah.
the places you're going, you're spending way too much money on.
Bunch of cool knives. Pretty cool. And Adriana is also making a video.
You're at Gander Mountain.
What's up? They got a couple real rifles over there. Let me see if I can put some stuff down. Let's see. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Give me a second.
You should just get the app that you can pause things with. Because your video
All right, pretty good. I think. Oh, look at that! They got an AR-15 over there. I don't think you can see it, but there's an AR-15 in the back, tan version. That's pretty freaking cool. More ammunition crates. Oh guys, and if you also like Airsoft and shop for Airsoft equipment and stuff, I highly recommend going to evike.com. They have a bunch of pretty cool Airsoft gear. It's worth the price.
So, alright, pause on the video.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Peace.